Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we have an unboxing from Aupen. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have an unboxing video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hello, hi you guys. I have this unboxing from Aupen today. They so kindly emailed me and said that they wanted to send one of these bags over. So I did not pay for this with my own money. They did kindly gift this to me, but this video is not sponsored in any way. Like, they didn't tell me to do any of this. I still wanted to do an unboxing video because I've seen this bag everywhere. It's been seen on Taylor Swift. I think that's why it became so popular. And then there's even a few people that I follow that are wearing this bag. So Alana Davison being one of them. I absolutely love her channel. I love her videos. And she actually has the same bag that I have because I loved the color when I saw it on her. So when they reached out to me and they were like, hey, pick out a bag, I was like, oh my God, I want this same color. So here we go. I'll go over everything that like fits in the bag, all that good stuff, but this is how it came. In this box, it says Aupen on it. So it looks like Aupen bags are based out of Singapore. So I think they are a Chinese-based brand. So it is Singapore, but they do have a location in Brooklyn as well. So they have expanded, but this bag in here is one of their most iconic styles because again, it was seen on Taylor Swift and that's why it became so incredibly popular. So here is the inside. Oh my God. I'm looking at their website right now because I wanted to like have up the dimensions and the pricing and all that. And every single one of them is currently sold out except for the black. So if you like the black one, when I show you this, the black is available. I assume they're gonna be restocking at some point, but yeah, every single other color is sold out. So that gonna gives you an idea as to how popular this bag is. So without any further ado, here's the dust bag. It's pretty generic dust bag, it's very soft, it feels nice. Nothing really too fancy though, it does feel like a pretty common generic dust bag, but it does say Aupen on the front. Oh my God, do you see this? This is the Aupen Nirvana bag, and this is what she looks like. She is so stinking cool. I can't even get over it. So let me give you an overview. So here is what the bag looks like. It's got this really cool like design to it. It still is technically in that like half moon shape. It still is within that realm, but this reminds me so much of The Row. There is a bag that The Row has that looks so similar to this. Yeah, it's called the Half Moon. Well, it does look very similar. It is a bit different. I'll put a picture of the Row Half Moon bag and then put the Aupen bag next to it. So it is a very similar style, but it's definitely giving The Row vibes. It's definitely kind of like quiet luxury. There's not a lot of branding on this bag. The only branding is basically on this little thing right here. But again, here is the front or the back. I guess it could be either or. This handle is such a cool like braided leather handle that's so pretty. And then here is the bottom of the bag. No feet on the bag, unfortunately, but there is the bottom. And then it does have gold toned hardware and it has a zipper closure, if you can see that right there. And then when you open it, oh, that's such a smooth zipper. Oh my God. Look. Oh, that's so smooth. Anyways, when you open it, here is what it looks like on the inside. You can't really see much because it is pretty dark interior. It's black, I believe, but it does have one kind of slip pocket in the back right here, and then it does have one bigger open pocket. But yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. You can't see much, unfortunately, because it is so dark, but it's pretty flexible, pretty malleable. And then let's go to like my favorite part of this bag. This little thing is so cool. Let me take it off. This is like a little keychain, but it looks like a bean. Like, please correct me if I'm wrong. I hope I'm not saying anything incorrect here, but it looks like a bean and I'm obsessed. This is the only branding on the bag and look at it. It's a little bean. And it says Aupen on both sides. And it is like a little keychain, so you can take it on and off. It has like a little clasp. And then here is where it says Aupen, in case you couldn't see that before. This is very heavy as well. It's not like so heavy to where it'll be like uncomfortable to have on your bag, but it is very substantial and it is heavy. So really nice quality, this little keychain. So if you wanted to take it off of the bag and like put it on your keys, that's definitely an option, but it's so cute. And I wonder what this is, if it actually is like a little bean or if it's something else, but it's so stinking cute. Okay, let's go over pricing and dimensions now. So this bag does retail for $340. So it is in that more of the contemporary price point. It's not going to be like super crazy expensive like Gucci, Chanel, Prada, Miu Miu, anything like that. It is going to be on the more affordable price point. None of these bags are like affordable, but they are, you know, comparatively they are more affordable brands. So you have like things like Marc Jacobs, Kate Spade, Coach, Tory Burch. What else is there that's kind of, Polin, Songmon, that's gonna be around that same price point. And mine is in the color olive. I believe it's like an olive green, yeah. But they do have a bunch of other colors. They have black, they have this snow color. I'm doing like a screen record on my phone so you'll be able to see. They have this really pretty brown, which honestly I almost got, but I was like, let me get something else other than brown. And they have this beautiful like rouge red and then an ash gray color. The leather on the outside, I don't know why I smacked it, but yes, it is full leather on the outside. The material is calfskin leather and it's like a smooth calfskin. And then on the inside, it is a cotton twill fabric. So on the inside, it is like a fabric lining. And then regarding dimensions, everything is in centimeters. So I will have to convert really quick. So it is 22 centimeters long, which is 8.6 inches long. It is 9 centimeters tall, which is about 3 inches, which I don't know, that doesn't seem right. Maybe they mean like 3 inches here. This is 3 inches, but like this side is definitely taller. So I don't know exactly, because it says 9 centimeters tall, which is like 3.5 inches. I don't know. I feel like this is longer than 3.5 inches. I don't know, but that's what it says on the website. And then it's 7 centimeters in depth, or 2.75 inches in depth. The strap drop is 32 centimeters or 12.59 inches. That is the strap drop. So it does fit really nicely over your shoulder no matter what you have on. I'm wearing a sweater today. It's pretty light sweater. It's from Totem. It's not like a big bulky sweater, but even if you were wearing a bulky sweater, I feel like you should be able to still get this over your arm, and you can pretty much wear it either way. You can wear it with this side towards you or this side towards you. I'm not actually sure which way you're supposed to wear it. This side right here kind of shows the little charm, so maybe that's how you're supposed to wear it, but that feels better. So I don't know, but it's so cute. This is primarily pretty much only a shoulder bag. The straps right here do not detach or come off. So it's basically just a shoulder bag. I personally am totally fine with that. I love shoulder bags. That's typically how I carry all of my bags anyways, except for my Chanel bags and maybe a couple of my Louis Vuitton bags. Most of them I carry shoulder anyways. My Louis Vuitton bags, I usually just carry top handle, except for the Pochette Métis East West. I carry that one crossbody most of the time. My Chanel's I carry crossbody most of the time. But a lot of my other bags, like my Gucci Ophidia, my Celine is a shoulder bag, and even my Bottega Veneta Teen Jody is a shoulder bag. I have a lot of shoulder bags that I really enjoy and I like a lot, and shoulder carry is one of my preferred methods. Definitely happy with this. It seems very comfy, like very comfortable. It doesn't feel like it's gonna just fall off. Let's go over what will fit in this bag. Again, it doesn't feel like it would fit a lot, but I think it will. Let's first put my phone. I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, that goes in with no issues. Can you even see it in there? It's in there. Now, I usually do not put my phone in my bag. I usually just have it in my pocket or in my hand or something, but I know a lot of people do keep their phone in their bag, so I will put it in here for this example. So next up, of course, I have my wallet, and that can just go right in the front, no problem. And then I have all of my like little bits. I do think that this would fit a mini pochette accessoire as well. If you are somebody that likes to carry like little catch-alls, I do think this would totally fit that too. I just don't have one with me, but it seems like it totally would fit. But now I also have my little mirror that can go in here. And then I have my AirPods, still doing really good so far. And then you could definitely fit sunglasses in here as well. I just don't have any sunglasses with me at the moment. I did actually just put, I don't know why I didn't show you, I put some hand sanitizer in here. I usually have my Touchland hand sanitizer, but like it's kind of chunky. So if I'm carrying a smaller bag, I usually just swap it out to a Bath & Body Works one. And then I have my headache medication that can just go on top, and then just a little lip balm that just goes right on top here. Yeah, guys, that fits everything that my Chanel Classic Flap fits. I literally took everything out of my Chanel bag here and put it in the Aupen bag, and it looks really nice. It is a little bit heavy, which of course every bag is going to be heavy when you put stuff in it, but this one is like pretty not structured in my opinion. Like I feel like it's really just a couple pieces of leather. There's no real structure or like boning to this bag. So you can see that it kind of like pokes out right here a little bit. I don't mind that, but I do think over time, maybe the leather, if you use this bag a ton, maybe the leather will experience like a little bit of distortion or warping just over time if you have like heavy stuff in it. But yeah, that's what it looks like when it's full, and then you can just throw it on your shoulder and it's so cute. It still feels really nice on the shoulder. It doesn't feel like too heavy. It doesn't feel cumbersome or anything. It still feels very nice. And then if I take my phone out, you can totally fit way more things in here. This can even fit like a full-on sunglasses case. Maybe not like a giant one, like a big hard one, but like a smaller sunglasses case, even like a microfiber little pouch or something, totally would fit a sunglasses case in this bag because it still is pretty roomy on the inside. I don't think you'd be able to fit a book. Maybe if it's one of those like really small kind of like mass print books. You know, if you've ever seen like, I don't know, Game of Thrones books, the George R.R. Martin books, like those that are kind of like short, that might fit in here if you wanted to carry a book with you, but like regular size books are not gonna fit. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my unboxing and little mini, like first impressions, little mini review of the Aupen Nirvana bag, again in the olive green. I love this bag and I am so honored that Aupen thought of me to send this to. Like, it's so sweet of them. So thank you so much to Aupen. If you see this video, I'll definitely tag you in like Instagram and everything. I love it. I think it's so fun. I think it's very much an it bag, and I hope that this bag just continues to do really, really well. And I hope that they come out with like different styles, maybe make it a bigger size, even like a mini size or something. But yeah, that's been my little unboxing of this bag. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Do you like it? Let me know what you think of the color. Or do you have one of these bags? Is this bag on your wish list? Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy now and I know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!